So this is Euro dollar analysis for Tuesday the 3rd of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where price may likely go. So we didn't quite see price head up towards that 1710. Instead we turned around at that 1680 in around that 400 period moving average. What we have seen is prices come down towards that 1612, trade slightly below the 1612 and that 116 towards the 1590s, not too far away. From which we have seen a bullish buy side momentum come back into the market, brief consolidation, and we've seen another impulse of bullish price action come into the market here. So we do have our lows, a higher low. We do have somewhat of a bullish price pattern setting up here. And as we can see, we've had a pretty strong candle closing near its very highs over the last hour, the prior hour. So we do seem poised for a move up towards this 1710, successful break from which we're looking for a move up towards that 1728. And if we can break and hold the 1728, we're then looking for price head up towards that 1771 here on the euro dollar. Don't anticipate price to move much beyond the 1771 to the upside unless we do have a particularly volatile day, in which case 1830 may come into focus here on the euro dollar. If, however, we do see a breakdown in prices from where we are at present or at that 1710, we're looking to see how prices react again in around this 1612 to see if we do see a bullish bounce from there. Failing that, we'll be then looking for price head down towards a 1578, successful break from which we're then looking for price head down towards that 1554 here on the euro dollar. Previously an area where we have found support in the not too distant past. And again, to the downside beyond 1554, if we do have a particularly volatile day, to take us beyond there, the very next level of note is a move down towards this 115 here on the euro dollar. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing. And so we get scale on here correct on the daily chart. And as you can see more recently, we've come pretty close towards that 115. Foreseeing the bullish buy side momentum, and again we've tested the 400 period average, bullish buy side momentum, tested the 400 period average, and again we've seen bullish buy side momentum from that 400 period moving average. We didn't see the follow through to bring us beyond the 1612 at close, and what we did see was a close above the 1612 here on the daily chart, and we have seen some bullish buy side momentum come into the market in alignment with this fairly large candle we saw from a couple of days ago. So we'll see if the prices do head up towards a 1710, beyond which we've mentioned levels that we are looking at here to the upside. And with that said, that wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.